Hi, in this video we are going to see the recruitment notifications from all IITs as well as the NIT 2021. So here the contract as well as the permanent job notifications as well as the teaching and the non-teaching for all the subjects. And here the opportunities are there for the undergraduation, post-graduation as well as the PhD candidates. And here the pay scale is the 7th central pay scale. Okay. So in this video I'm going to show you few notifications, and the remaining notifications from all the IITs you can access from one of the website, and I will show you how to access that website. So in that one, few rolling advertisements are there. Okay, that means throughout the year you can apply for the few teaching vacancies as well as the non-teaching vacancies. Fine. So it will be very much helpful to you guys, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of permanent job notifications, okay, in the central government institutions. It will be very much helpful to them, and please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here the first one, the first IIT that we are going to see is the Indian Institute of Technology, Jammu. So in this one, it invites the online applications from qualified Indian nationals for filling up the following post on outsource basis through manpower agency. So here the laboratory assistant civil engineering, one vacancy is there, and the age limit is also given here, and the pay scale is also mentioned, 30 to 35,000 rupees per month, and it is a consolidated pay. And coming to the minimum qualification also mentioned here, master's degree in geotechnical engineering or equivalent qualification in appropriate field with a minimum of 60% marks in the qualifying degree from a recognized university or the institute. Or else you may have the bachelor's degree in the civil engineering with minimum of 60% of marks in the qualifying degree from a recognized university or institute with 2 years relevant experience. Okay, so if you're having master's degree in geotechnical, you may apply, and if you're having the bachelor's degree in civil engineering, then also you may apply. Few desirable requirements are given here, and key responsibilities are given here, and few general instructions are also given here. So all this necessary PDF links I will provide in the description box of this video. So you may go through that one guys, and there is no application fee for this one, and the shortlisted candidates shall be called for the trade test or the interaction evaluation will be there, and the application submission will be start online from 20th April 2021 to 30th April 2021, and here the official website is given here. If you are having any queries, then you may write your queries to the provided mail ID here. Okay, so these are all the details regarding the recruitment here in IIT Jammu guys. In the same way, here one advertisement from the National Institute of Technology, Hamirpur. So assistant engineer as well as a junior engineer, civil and electrical on deputation basis. So filling up of 2 numbers post of assistant engineer, civil and electrical. Okay, purely on deputation basis at NIT Hamirpur, and the 2 number of posts for assistant engineer, civil and electrical. So pay band is mentioned here, so 7th CPC, and 2 number of posts for junior engineer, civil and electrical as per the 7th CPC is mentioned here. And the appointment or deputation will be initially for a period of 1 year or till the regular appointment is made, whichever is the earlier. And coming to the qualifications here, education qualifications for assistant engineer. So you must have the first class BE or BTech in civil or electrical engineering, or else first class diploma in civil or electrical engineering, and experience is also mentioned here. And coming to the junior engineer, civil and electrical, so number of posts 2, and the pay scale is mentioned here. So educational qualifications are also mentioned, first class BE or BTech in these departments, or else first class diploma in civil or electrical engineering. Okay, so these are the details guys, right? And here the application is also given. So pro forma for applying on deputation basis for the post of assistant engineer or junior engineer in civil and electrical. So you have to take down the printout of this one, okay, and fill up the application form, okay, and so apply to this one as per the given requirement, whether they are asking for the post. Okay, you may check down here, applications of eligible and willing persons who can spare it immediately by respective departments are invited through proper channel in the prescribed pro forma. So duly filled in application must reach the office at below mentioned address by 21st May 2021. Okay, that means you have to send by the post, guys. Okay, so these are the details. And coming to the vacancies in the all IITs, as I told in the starting of this video. So there is a Council of Indian Institutes of Technology, one website is there. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So here I may check down the faculty recruitment. So you can not only the faculty, here the non-teaching vacancies are also will be there. So you may check down the current openings, okay, from all the different types of IITs here. And whatever the recruitment I shown you from Jammu, so I took this one from IIT Jammu. So like that you may check down. Okay, so if you want to look at IIT Kanpur, so then click on that one. Okay, then it will be directly connected to the particular website, careers blog, guys. So here the rolling advertisement is there, and in this rolling advertisement means you may apply at any time throughout the year. Okay, so minimum qualifications and professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies. Of course, anyhow, the teaching positions, that means assistant, associate and professor vacancies for this teaching positions, definitely the PhD is mandatory in the Indian Institute of Technologies. So sometimes you may get some teaching associate or teaching assistant jobs in this one. So for that one, post graduation may be the enough qualification, guys. Okay, so here the rolling advertisement is there from this IIT Kanpur. So like that, you just please check down, okay, daily once from all these things, any currently openings are there. So for example, IIT Delhi. So click on the current openings. Okay, so it will be directed to here. So faculty positions and assistant librarian, project positions also you will get the call, and non-academic positions are there. That means non-teaching positions. So if you want to apply for any one of the things, then you may apply this, and you may check down the advertisement and all these things. So like that, you can access the teaching as well as the non-teaching positions from all the subjects from all the IITs with only single website. Okay, that is the Council of Indian Institutes of Technology. So here the opportunities will be there to the diploma candidates and the graduate as well as the postgraduate and the PhD candidates. And from this website itself, you can access the PhD notifications also. Why? Because all the IITs are looking at a glance here in the single website. Okay, so for example, if you want to click on this IIT Ropar, okay, just click on that one and then go to the home page. Why? Because if you click on that one, then you will be directly directed to the faculty recruitment positions. Okay, so if you go to the research blog, okay, or else in the home blog, okay, then you will come to know, see here the PhD program is there. So like that, you can check down currently are there any PhD notifications are there. Okay, so you may check down the admission details also. So like that, the complete details regarding all the IITs in India you can access through only single website, whether it might be the PhDs or else the faculty positions or else the research assistants or teaching assistants or teaching associates, everything. Okay, so just like I'm going to show you the one more thing, okay, from IIT Goa. So here you may check down there is rolling advertisement for faculty positions at IIT Goa. So like that, you will come to know the complete details regarding all the recruitments and the PhDs as well as the research associates and the different positions. Okay, guys, so it will be very much helpful to them. Okay, so anyhow, so it is the thing that I want to show you in this video. So please share this information or else this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them, guys. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide